There's one thing that I really, really hate about my 2007 XR6 Turbo Mark II. It doesn't have a screamer pipe. I mean, yeah, I've got the big front mount intercooler, and yeah, I've got the coilovers, and I've got the rims, but it's just missing something. Missing a screamer pipe. Why are you filming me? You need to be in there. What? Cameraman, get it! What's up? Okay. Hello? Oh, you're back. Okay. All right. I didn't want to do this. It's Friday night. It's cold. Now I have to do my screamer pipe on my exhaust. This is probably going to be filmed over tonight and today, tomorrow.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
So, for now, I have my Smart wastegate. It's got a 7 psi wastegate spring in it. My actual screamer pipe, which is in there, but you have to trust me on that. I have a boost gauge, which I think I'll put in now to see what boost that I'm currently getting. Like, it's stock, and they say 6 to 8 psi. And since I have a 7 psi wastegate spring, that's good, but I just want to see if it's boosting properly or not. Not properly, but like, see what my boost is at now, so I can like then dial it in when I
shut your fucking mouth.
Let's just get into it, I suppose. I was going to end it there, but well, not there, but a while ago when I said I got the boost gauge done, but I don't think I will. I think I'm going to stick through it, and I think I'm going to try and get the intercooler piping off, all of this shit out of the way, so I can start with the hot side. All right, well, I got all the piping removed and stuff, got the air filter out of the way. Check it sharp. Look, it's hot. Don't touch the turbo, it's hot. But yeah, fucking. Alright, fucking, here we go. BF motor is all stripped of piping. Fucking, also I found, I don't know if you'll be able to see, I don't know, but just down in through there is an coolant leak. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Yeah, right there, see that? There's a bit of coolant. And I have a suspicion that it's coming from one of the hoses down there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but that hose right there, I'll put like a little circle around it just so you can see. But apart from that, let's get on with it. I'd like to point out that I'm using hand tools at the moment because it is 10 o'clock at night and my neighbours are right there. So I'm just going to try and be quiet and get this as far apart stripped as I can. The Falcons, there's like this little bit here, like this little cutout, so I like to put these expansion tank bolts in. That you need a 15mm socket for. Those ones that hold the heat shield on, I guarantee you it's a 15mm. I almost guarantee you it's a 15mm. It's a fucking, oh, I hate this car. As I was saying, 13mm. Guaranteed 30mm. See how fucking told you that? I do. Don't know if it needs it. Where's the DW? Ow! Fucking zip ties catching on my toes. There we go. I'm not a professional either. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing stuff. I don't know if I'm doing this like stupidly, like if this is not the method to doing it, but I feel like yes, maybe. Oh, no. Now I haven't really come into any trouble yet with like strip bolts or anything, so I'm just hoping that I don't come into contact with any strip bolts or anything, because that would suck. Really throw a spanner in the works. That's just, it just has to be a 10, right? Come on. Remember what I was saying about that 15mm bolt? There's just no way this isn't a 10mm. Yeah, and it is. Fucking knew it. It looks rusty as hell though. Use WD-40 favorably, and in turn it will favor you. Ow! Holding it on. It's like fucking loose as a goose. Oh, why do you do that? Okay, my gimbal died, but I'm going to finish the rest of this. Gonna sort it out, get it done, and I'll see you when it is taken apart.
What are you doing? It's a fucking skater trailer, you fucking... Oh, of course it's a fucking Ranger, ain't
Cool. Okay. Well, it's the next day at roughly 5:30 p.m. Got my cameraman here. Say hi, cameraman. I don't know if that'll pick it up, but fucking, we're jacking up the car now. I'm gonna unbolt probably the middle muffler. Cameraman fart ass off.
Cameraman's been mic'd up now.
Yeah, welcome. Say hi, cameraman.
Hello.
There we go. You want to plug your TikTok?
Nope.
I'll plug it for you.
Nah, I'm alright.
Oh, this is gonna be a bitch. Ow! Ow!
Ew, you stink.
What?
Yeah, you stink.
Oh.
What is that for?
I don't know. Cameraman. I did it. Are you proud of me, cameraman?
Not really.
Why?
You still got half the job left. Not even half. You're not even fucking halfway through.
Next course of action is unbolting it from... Jesus Christ, okay. Next course of action is this. This is the turbo, you see here, this is where the exhaust starts. I just need to unbolt the O2 sensor, the second thing, the exhaust. I haven't done that. So yeah, I'll do that, and then we'll unbolt from here.
To the vape.
Right there.
Right, the bottom ones are harder.
The what?
But the bottom ones are way harder to get to.
Yeah. Cameraman. This is taking... Oh! There we go. And then I think there's one more.
It looks like you've been through war. Give us a spin.
But there's one good thing that came out of this. It's off. We did it.
Wow!
Look at that.
Yay!
GT35 finally off. Ready to put screen pipe on. That was a fucking trek.
Oh, look at that pretty bit of gear, mate.
Wow, look at that. Fucking PSR, mate. Pulsar. It's tough. 2 Savage sunglasses.
Wrap it up, man.
Make
it open.
Oh, shit.
Fucking...
Look at that. Internal gate, mate. But we're not doing internal gate. External gate. To make big, loud, obnoxious noises. So this car can get a red sticker.
Well, maybe stop trying to fucking tighten it.
Oh. Whoops. Bruh. What? What? Cameraman, what do you want?
Hurry up.
I'm yeah.
Yeah, so pretty much what people do call flapper mode is they just cut that out bigger.
Yeah.
So it flows more air.
And that's not the method or method?
I'm talking, brain rot terms, man.
Okay. Is that what?
Fuck off. I don't want to be on camera, man.
Okay, alright. We're just gonna give this a bit of a clean up and fucking, yeah. All in all, this was about what, a 2-hour job, I reckon. This wasn't too hard.
Mate, this is like a 3-day thing that you've been doing.
Bro, okay.
1 week later.
Back to square one. Alright, I'm going to start off by saying, I don't blame Pulsar whatsoever. Alright, if anything, it was probably my fault that I didn't check the box. But, let's just put it this way, right? Pulsar sent me a supposed BABF rear turbo housing to fit an external wastegate. Here, this part goes on the turbo housing. This part goes to atmosphere, allegedly. But what I was actually sent is an FG style housing. So, when I went to go do it all up, I then was like, this doesn't seem like it will fit. And I knew it wouldn't because I have seen people online talk about it and it won't fit. The only way that I can get it done is either take the rear housing to an exhaust shop or contact PSR about the housing and try and get a return. So, that's why I'm ending this video here. This has been probably a 2-week process. It's probably going to take a month more just to get this all done. So do I recommend doing this? You could probably do it in a night, but would I recommend doing it for someone who has no mechanical experience within engines or turbochargers in a whole? Yeah, it's learning, just do it. I guess that will be it. That will be the video. So I don't really have an outro for it planned. This is like Sunday. It's been a week since I've tried to even attempt this. Bye.